Okay, I'm Gianna. What does a cow say? Very nice. What does a puppy say? What does a kitty say? What does a lizard do? Take out your binky. Oh, very. What does a snake do? What does a sheep say? What does a goat say? Very nice. What does an elephant say? Can you do it without your binky? What does a lion say? What does a pig say? That was a good one. What does an owl say? What does a turtle say? Wrong one?
No.
Okay. What does a turtle say? What does a bear say?
Bear.
What does a cow say? What does a horse say?
Yay.
Neigh. Very nice.
Rooster.
What does a rooster say?
Taco.
That's a new one.
A baby.
A baby? What does a duck say? Duck?
Quack.
Oh, quack. Wait, what does a duck say? Can you say anything else?
No, I hit my head up on the there.
Does she know any others?
I'm thinking. Tiger.
What does a tiger say? What does a wolf say? Oh. What does a mouse say?
Did you do snake?
Show me what a snake does. Oh, that's what it says. What does a lizard do? I think that's all of them.